Certainly. When you encounter the maintenance box is at the end of service life error on your Epson L18050 printer, it means that the maintenance box needs to be replaced. Here are the steps to change the maintenance box. Replace the maintenance box. Turn off the printer and unplug it from the power source. Open the printer cover to access the maintenance box. Remove the used maintenance box from its holder. Note: make sure you have a new maintenance box or maintenance box chip before you begin. If you have a new chip, then replace the chip in the old maintenance box. This will reduce your cost. If you have a new chip, then replace the chip in the old maintenance box. This will reduce your cost. Place the used maintenance box in the plastic bag that came with the new maintenance box. Seal the bag and dispose of it properly. Insert the new maintenance box into the holder and push it all the way in. Insert the maintenance box cover into the tabs on the product as shown. Close the cover and tighten the screw to secure it. Remember to handle the maintenance box carefully and follow the manufacturer's guidelines. If you need additional assistance, consider watching video tutorials or reaching out to Epson customer support. Happy printing!